Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color this monster truck from the front. Let's start at the top and draw the windshield first. Then we draw the car body around the windshield. Now we draw the hood. Next we draw the mudguard. This is where we will draw the headlights and radiator grille later. The bumper is located under the mudguard. The bumper also has a radiator grille. However, the lights on the bumper are called fog lights. Now we draw the radiator grille. The license plate is located under the radiator grille. I have only painted it in gray. However, you can write in any license plate number you like. Now we finish drawing the outer shape of the bumper. We then draw the fog lights on the side. We start with the left-hand side. Then we also draw a fog light on the right-hand side. Next we draw two small outer lights in the mudguard. These are the indicators. In addition, we now draw very large lights with a dual function. The outer very large light is the driving light, and the one in the center is the main beam. We draw a radiator grille in the middle between the headlights. The upper part of the monster truck is finished. Now we come to the lower part, the chassis. We draw the underframe, with all its cross connections and axles. These are the parts that support the vehicle and stabilize it against external forces. The wheel suspensions are located on the chassis. All essential drive elements such as the gearbox and engine. Now we draw the rim of the front left car tire. Then we draw the rim of the front right car tire. We then draw a large rubber tire on the left-hand car tire. And we also draw a large rubber tire for the right-hand outer tire. Now we draw a rear left car tire. Then we draw a rear right car tire. We subsequently finish drawing the rims on the two front car tires. First on the left tire, and then on the right tire. Next we draw the two exterior mirrors. We start with a left-hand wing mirror and then draw the right-hand wing mirror. And finally I add a bracket to both outer mirrors. Our monster truck is now finished. In the following part of the video I show in fast motion how I colored my drawing. I painted the windshield a light blue. I used the colors yellow and orange for the headlights. I used the color gray for the exterior mirrors and for the radiator grille. I also used this color for the license plate, the chassis and the rims. Later the license plate and the chassis were painted over with a different gray color. Then I painted over the rims again with a darker gray. I painted the tires of the car in black. I also used black for the radiator handle. I also used a dark gray for the lower radiator handle. I painted the axle in black. And finally I painted the car body in a light and dark green. I also brightened up the light green with the color yellow. I I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.